Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 common behaviors that can kill relationships. Whether you're single or in a committed partnership, understanding and avoiding these pitfalls will greatly contribute to building and maintaining healthy connections. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. The foundation of any successful relationship is effective communication. Yet, it's astonishing how often people neglect this fundamental aspect. Communication is not merely about talking, it encompasses active listening, empathy, and the willingness to express oneself honestly. When couples fail to communicate openly and honestly, resentment and misunderstandings can fester, gradually eroding the relationship's core. It's crucial to create a safe space where both partners feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment or dismissal. To improve communication, start by setting aside dedicated time to engage in meaningful conversations. Practice active listening by giving your undivided attention to your partner, seeking clarification when necessary, and validating their emotions. Remember, effective communication requires mutual respect and a willingness to compromise. By prioritizing open and honest dialogue, you can prevent this toxic behavior from derailing your relationship. Trust serves as the bedrock of any relationship. Without it, the connection between partners becomes fragile, riddled with doubt and insecurity. Trust is not built overnight, it's nurtured over time through consistent actions and transparency. However, when one or both partners struggle with trust issues, it can undermine even the strongest bonds. To foster trust, it's essential to be reliable and consistent in your words and actions. Honesty, integrity, and keeping your promises are crucial. Trust is fragile, and once broken, it's difficult to rebuild. If trust has been damaged, it's important to address the underlying issues openly and work together to rebuild it, seeking the guidance of a professional if necessary. Boundaries are the invisible lines that define the limits of each person's comfort zone within a relationship. When these boundaries are disregarded or violated, it can lead to resentment, conflict, and emotional harm. Establishing and respecting boundaries is essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced relationship. Begin by identifying your personal boundaries and clearly communicating them to your partner. Likewise, encourage your partner to share their boundaries with you. Respect each other's limits, and be mindful of how your actions impact your partner. Remember, boundaries are not meant to restrict or control, but rather to ensure both individuals feel safe and respected within the relationship. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but when left unresolved, it can be detrimental. Ignoring or avoiding conflict only allows the underlying issues to fester, causing resentment and distance between partners. Healthy conflict resolution is crucial for building stronger connections and preventing long-term damage. When conflicts arise, approach them with empathy and a willingness to understand your partner's perspective. Avoid blame and focus on finding a mutually beneficial solution. Active listening, compromise, and maintaining respect are vital in resolving conflicts. If necessary, seek the guidance of a relationship counselor or therapist who can provide objective insights and strategies for effective conflict resolution. Emotional neglect occurs when one or both partners fail to meet each other's emotional needs adequately. It involves disregarding or dismissing your partner's emotions, failing to provide emotional support, or being emotionally unavailable. Emotional neglect can slowly erode the connection between partners, leading to feelings of loneliness, resentment, and dissatisfaction. To avoid emotional neglect, prioritize emotional intimacy in your relationship. Take the time to understand your partner's emotional needs and make an effort to meet them. Show empathy, offer comfort, and validate their feelings. Regularly check in with each other to ensure you're both feeling emotionally connected and supported. Remember, emotional neglect can be subtle, so it's important to be mindful of your actions and actively foster emotional closeness. And there you have it, 5 common behaviors that can kill relationships. By addressing these behaviors and making conscious efforts to avoid them, you can nurture a healthy and thriving partnership. Remember, relationships require constant work and commitment from both partners. Open communication, trust, boundaries, conflict resolution, and emotional support are all vital components of a strong and fulfilling connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on relationships. And as always, we would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and keep building those healthy relationships.